Looking for the coolest car gadgets of 2025? From air purifiers and dash cams to must-have road trip accessories, these game-changing devices will upgrade your driving experience. Let's check them out. Scosche AFP2 Fresche AIR, the best HEPA air purifier for cars. Tired of dust, pet dander, and bad odors in your car? The Scosche AFP2 Fresche AIR is a powerful portable HEPA air purifier that eliminates allergens, smoke, and unwanted smells while you drive. With its compact design, USB-powered operation, and replaceable filter system, it's perfect for keeping your car's air fresh and clean, especially for those with allergies or pets. If you want a healthier driving environment, this air purifier is a must-have. Check the description for deals. WOLFBOX 12,000 mAh and 150 pounds per square inch. Tire inflator, the best portable air compressor. Never get stuck with a flat tire again. The WOLFBOX 150 PS. Portable air compressor is a powerful cordless tire inflator that quickly pumps up car, motorcycle, and bicycle tires in minutes. With a built-in tire pressure gauge, 12,000 mAh battery, and LED display, this fast, compact, and rechargeable inflator ensures you're always road ready. Whether it's road trips, emergencies, or daily commutes, this gadget is a lifesaver. Find the best pricing in the description. VIOFO A229 Pro 4 KHDR dash cam, the best high-resolution dash cam for ultimate road safety. The VIOFO A229 Pro dash cam records in crystal clear 4K+2K HDR using dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors for superior low light and night vision performance. It features 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, 24-hour parking mode, and voice control, making it one of the most advanced dash cams available. With support for up to 512 GB storage, you'll never miss a moment on the road. If you want the best protection and recording quality, this dash cam is a must-have. Check out the link in the description. JOYTUTUS steering wheel tray, the best car desk for work and eating. Turn your car into a mobile office or dining area with the JOYTUTUS steering wheel tray. This lightweight, multifunctional tray easily attaches to your steering wheel or back seat, making it perfect for eating, working, or using your laptop on the go. Designed to fit large vehicles like trucks, RVs, and SUVs, it's great for long road trips, truckers, or anyone who spends time in their car. If you need a simple, convenient way to work or eat while parked, this gadget is a game changer. Find the latest pricing in the description. Trailer Valet TVWDX, heavy-duty 6-wheel tire dolly, the best trailer and RV tire dolly. If you own a trailer, RV, or large truck, the Trailer Valet TVWDX. Heavy-duty tire dolly is a must-have for effortless tire changes and maintenance. With a 2,000-pound capacity per unit, sturdy steel frame, and polyurethane casters, it securely supports and moves heavy-duty tires up to 13 inches wide and 32 inches in diameter. This heavy-duty dolly makes RV and trailer maintenance safer and easier, saving you time and effort. If you need a reliable way to handle large tires, this is a must-have tool. Check the description for exclusive offers. If you need clean air while driving, the Scosche Fresche AIR is a great choice. Want an emergency tire inflator? The WOLFBOX 150 PSI portable air compressor is a must-have. For next-level road safety, the VIOFO A229 Pro 4K dash cam delivers unmatched recording quality. If you need a mobile workspace, the JOYTUTUS steering wheel tray is perfect for road trips and truckers. And for trailer and RV owners, the Trailer Valet TVWDX tire dolly is the ultimate heavy-duty tool. Which car gadget is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Check the description for links to all the featured gadgets.